Hey friends, if you encounter the no healthy upstream error while trying to access any application on your browser, then please watch this video or any other application which uses the internet. So let us say for the sake of this example, the application is Roblox. It could be anything. First of all, check its server status. Is the server status down? If that is the case, then you will have to wait. Okay, like they say that yeah, degraded performance and all, then in that case you will have to wait. And other than this, here's one more solution I will suggest. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and then type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active Wi-Fi connection or active network connection and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now, if it's selected, obtain a DNS server automatically. Go to the second option. Use the following DNS server address. Now, the preferred one should be 8.8.8.8 and the alternate one should be 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then click on OK once again to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.